Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are fine. I would like you guys to subscribe before you get this valuable information I'm going to deliver here, and I'll wait for you guys maybe for a few seconds so that you can subscribe. Okay, I think you guys are done now subscribing before you are going to receive such a helpful information. So today we are going to discuss the synoptic weather map interpretation. So here we are interpreting the synoptic weather map. So we will start by explaining what is a synoptic weather map. Okay, a synoptic weather map is a map that shows the weather conditions such as the temperature, precipitation, wind speed and direction, atmospheric pressure, and also cloud coverage. So all those are weather conditions that the synoptic weather map shows. So synoptic weather map can be identified by its features. Those features may be isobars, weather stations, pressure cells. Okay, maybe you are wondering what are isobars, weather station, pressure cell, but relax, we are going to unpack that on the next slide. Isobars are the lines that join points of equal pressure, like in this picture. As you can see, this line join the points of equal pressure, which is 1000. So the number that joins that are at the joints of these lines indicate the pressure, which is measured in hectopascals. So these numbers are the shows pressure, and they are measured in hectopascals. So if you are writing hectopascals, you just write HPA. So I also mentioned that the synoptic weather map also have the weather stations. So the weather stations describe the weather of a particular place that is found on a synoptic weather map. So it is a structure that you can find on a synoptic weather map. This structure will be showing you the cloud cover, wind direction, wind speed, air temperature, dew point temperature, and also the precipitation. So how can you see these things? So I loved you guys in such a way that I found some structure here I can show you with. So in this structure we will start by looking at the cloud cover. The cloud cover is overcast, which means the whole sky is covered with clouds. So we can identify that with the head of the structure, and 1 feet or the main line is indicating the wind direction. So in this case the wind direction is northwest, as you can see here. And on this stick or the main leg or the line, you can also identify the wind speed by looking at the small stick that break from the main stick. This small stick may be a full stick or half stick. So a half stick indicates 5 knots and the full stick indicates the 10 knots. Okay, so we will also see the air temperature, which is above, and the dew point temperature, which is below, as it is in real life. So, and between those temperatures we can see the precipitation, which here is rain. So there are many precipitation types, so we will see the different symbol to show the precipitation types and other features of a weather station. Okay, so these are the symbols used on a weather station. So if the cloud cover is clear, so we'll just see a circle that is not shaded. if it's if most of the sky is covered with clouds but not all of it, then we will see a 3,4 cloud cover. So on the wind speed, as I've just explained, the half stick indicates 5 knots, the full stick indicate the 10 knots. If there is a half stick and a full stick, then it's 15. If there are two full sticks, then it's 20 knots. So wind speed is not really geographically measured in kilometer per hour. It is measured in knots, so not like a speed of a car. So the if I have 3 full sticks here, I would have 30 knots, so that's obvious. If I have two full sticks and one half, then I have 25. And then the precipitation types, as I've just explained, that there are different types of them. Then the rain, we have already seen it. It's a fully shaded dots. A drizzle is a comma like dots that is fully shaded. The showers, which mean the a little bit heavier rain, it's uh, an upside down triangle. The snow is a star. Hail is an upright shaded triangle. The fog is 3 lines, the horizontal lines. The mist is 2 horizontal lines. The thunderstorm is K-like structure with a line on top. And then thunderstorms with hail are the K-like structure with the triangle that is not fully shaded as the actual hail. So we have to identify the the seasons on a synoptic weather map. So if it's summer, we can identify that season with if there is weather, if there is tropical cyclone, low pressure over land, so you will see the low pressure cell over land, and high temperatures over land, and the date. If the date is a summer date, then you can identify using the date, and the high pressure cell will be further south, which means they are below the South African map over the ocean, or they may just not appear, or one would appear, or the other one, or all of them won't appear on a map. So my map is not clearer, but you can identify some of the things I've just explained, just like a tropical cyclone, which you will identify with an S-like shaped symbol, and the high pressure cell is located further south, and the other one should be appearing here, but then it doesn't appear because it is further south than this one. And you will see the low pressure over land. This is over the land. I'm not sure if you guys can see the South African map here. So the high temperature are there, so you won't see the temperatures like on a weather map, on maybe on the news or anywhere, but you will see the weather using the weather station. So you have to be able to read the weather station, just like here they've read it for you and then gave you the information here. The temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, so the temperatures are high, which means it's summer. Okay, now let's pass to how we can see or identify the winter season. Okay, if it's winter, you can identify it with the date. If the date, the the date, if it's the winter date, and the Kalahari high pressure cell over land. So this is the high pressure cell that you will find over land. It is called Kalahari high pressure cell. And then there is a cold front over the land. The cold front will be over the land, and the high pressure cell will move further north now, not further south, and the low temperatures will be dominant over land. And then we will see the map of winter season. So in winter, you can see the cold front is approaching over land, and then the high pressure cell have moved north or further north, and there are low temperatures and clear skies, which means now the skies are clear. As you can maybe you can see a little bit, there are circles here that are not shaded, which means there are no clouds, but the clouds are there on or near the cold front, because the cold front comes with a heavy rain and thunderstorms, which means there should be the clouds. So the weather station have been identified and explained here that the temperature is 11 degrees Celsius, which are the cold temperatures, and the date is 2011 July 23. So as we know, in South Africa in July we experience the cold temperatures and winter season. Thank you guys. We will have to stop here for today, and please guys subscribe. If you forgot to subscribe, I'm giving you another chance to subscribe now so that you can get more information. And guys, please comment any section of geography grade 12 that you guys want me to help you guys with, so that we can do something meaningful to your lives and your time.